Hey guys, welcome back to another video of the Gaming Pro, and I have a new game for you guys. It's about fixing cars and making new stuff with it. So right now I have $20,724. So let's start with the first patient of the day. So we want a lot of money, so which one's the best one here that owe us money? It's these two right here. Right here. The green one and this white or gray one. So, let's see. I picked this one because the guy and guys are cool. Okay. He has the rear lights don't work. You can smell some unpleasant odor from the air conditioner. The stopping distance is very extended. You can smell exhaust fumes inside the car. Okay, that's disgusting. I must replace the right window pane. Oh yeah, if you crash that window, oh, that would be really bad. So let's start the service. So first, the engine, or like this part. What the hell? Oh, forget about that, guys. Wait, so we got the pipe type B. What the hell is that even? Why do they call it that? Okay, let's take this off. Come on, hurry up. This sucks. I have to take off everything out first. Finally, okay. Let's get fixing that. Okay, pipe type B. Let's see how it looks. Okay. Now we have to pick this. Okay. We have to clean it. Look, it was like a lot of black. Now it's getting more like whiter. Okay, when I say that, I sound like I'm being racist, but no, I'm not. Oh my god, I hate this part. It takes so long. It doesn't have to be 100, okay? Oh my gosh. Come on, 95, 100. Okay, let's put everything back. Go in there, and there, and there. Silencer type B, okay. Silencer type A through 2, okay. Silencer type A through 1, okay. Okay, what's the next thing to do? Next thing is the wheel. Oh shit. What, this? What's wrong with the wheel? Help me out here. I'm gonna pay one. What the fuck? Are you serious? Fine, and take it off then. Hurry, there, take it off. What do you have to do? Wait. Was it this one? No. 8 needs an 8. Okay, 8. Here it is. Let's go. Woo! Oh. Okay, let's put. Okay, let's go. Woo! Let's go to Disneyland. There. Next wheel. Oh shoot. That one's at 31%. That's bad. Also, guys, I may do a Assassin's Creed video once my friend come, George MD. Oh, we got it? Okay, let's go. Okay, let's do this one first. Let's just do. Okay, Blake Caliper. This one. Okay, put everything back on. Let's go. This one was first, then this second, then third. Come on, guys. We can do this. Another one. How many? Yo, your car is so broken. Get a new car, man. Get a new life, too. You should become a mechanic. Come on, hurry up. Okay, let's start with this one. Woohoo! We're playing the dodging game of volleyball. Okay, let's go with this one now. It was this. Okay, first is this, second, and third. Come on, guys, believe in me. I can do this. I can do this. I took a chance and pulled down my pants. Wait. Did I take it off already? Wait, what am I supposed to take off, actually? What the hell? Oh, this. Okay, take it off then. Okay, let's go fix it. It's this one. Okay. Guys, I'm really good at this game. I downloaded it yesterday and I was playing it so much. Till 3 o'clock and I went to sleep at nighttime. Okay. Next. Oh, did we complete the wheels? What the fuck? By the way, guys, when I grow up, I am never being a mechanic. My God. Wait, did I collect it? Okay, here it is. Let's go. We're cleaning the house everywhere. On the front and on the bottom. Come on, this takes so long. Come on. 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 I'll leave the what the fuck? I'll leave this game's name in the description down below, so you can download it if you want it. Go there, let go there, let go there, let go there. Okay, lights. Oh, the back lights. Okay, fix that. It doesn't matter if you ran out of time. You still have to keep going. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Okay, I just have to remember how it looks. It is this one. Okay, there. Next on the agenda, the window. Okay. Okay. Okay, we found the window. Take that. If you had a window and you were gonna wash your car, the water would be going inside your car like shoo. I'm just saying random stuff because I'm stupid and because I'm tired. It is exactly 11:12 at nighttime. Today is Sunday. Oh, come on. What else? What else? Oh, the air conditioner. Oh. Guys, when I got this game, I never done the air conditioner. Where is it actually? Is it under the car? Is it inside the car? Back of the car? Where? Do you guys know where the air conditioner is? Oh, what the? Is this it? Oh, okay. Okay. Air conditioner. Oh my God, there's red germs and blue germs. What is this? What does this do? For what? What about the blue germs? Doesn't work. What if they use this one? Oh, okay, I get it now. I get it. There, we did it, guys. We got $270. Let's do about 2 more cars, and then I'm gonna end the fucking video. Okay, let's go. Oh my God, guys! You have to be kidding me! Oh, guys, I'm gonna go. Look, this guy's gonna pay us $540. Oh, I'm getting that one, boy. So let's start with the lights. Lights. This one's bad. Okay, let's go. I'll take that. Okay, just remember it. It was this one. Okay. Okay, there. What's next on the agenda? The engine. Oh, shit. Okay, take that in. Take this in. Take this in too. Let's go, let's go. What else? So we have to take everything off. Are you serious, you bitch? At least I'm gonna get paid a lot. Come on, come on. Okay, fix everything. Okay, get that. Now we have to clean it. Oh, shoot. Oh, yeah. I love it. I love it. I don't care. Oh, come on. Come on. Woohoo. I'm pressing it so hard right now. Oh. Okay, there we go. What was this one? Okay, and this one. This. Okay, there we go, guys. We did it. Oh, I did put this one in first. Oh, we didn't fix this yet. Oh my god, another thing of cleaning. Oh, you can just do this? I thought you had to like keep pressing it, but you can just swipe it. Okay, put it on. On. Let's go, hurry up. Okay, next is the engine. Which is like the front of the car, we all know that. What's the problem with this? Battery's good. No, why did I just take that? Oh, this is not good. Let's fix this, guys. It was, what did it look like? It was this, right? Yes. Okay, there we go. What's next on the agenda? Hurry up. 5 fucking wheels! I'm paying for that. Oh, shit. Okay, hurry up. That's good, okay. Okay, put the wheel back. Next wheel. Come on, let go. Guys, believe in me! And this too. And this too. And this too, I said! Okay, let's do this first. There. This. What did that look like? This? Yeah, okay. Go. Okay, next one, guys. I just did this one. The ones that are red and orange are good. I mean, the ones that are red and orange are bad. The ones that are green, I already did. Okay, let's collect this. Collect that. Collect this. Collect this. Okay. No! What the? Oh, this one? Okay. Oh my god, you have to clean it for this one. I'm going super fast. Gotta go fast. It's Sonic time. Sonic time. Oh, let's play some frisbee. What's this? What the hell? Fuck you. There. There are some invisible symbols on the display panel. Let's go check that out. Okay, let's fix this computer. Oh, what the hell? Oh wait, I've done this before. Right there. There. Oh, there. Oh, okay, there. We did it, guys. We did it. Oh, what the heck? Oh, congratulations. New player level 5. New levels, elements are available. Walls, ventilation, new parts are available, and steering rod. We got 5 thing, another 5. See which one's the better one. I think this one. 345. Let's do it. Let's start this. Oh, red color. My favorite colors are red and blue and... Wait, no. Yeah, red, blue, orange, and green. And yellow. I don't know why. Okay, I would like to have my broken parts replaced with premium ones. That's the engine. Oh. That's good, that's good. Wait. That's not good. This part's not good. This. Place it in. And place this in. There we go. What's next? One wheel. Okay. Which wheel? There's tons of wheels. Tell me which wheel. I'm gonna spin one. Okay, let's collect this. Fix it. Okay. I'm really good at this game, guys. For real, you should get this game. If you become a mechanic one time, this will help you. Let's get the lights. Let's get the... I'm gonna beat you, game. Oh, look at that crack. Oh, 10%. Okay. There we go. Place it in. What else? The air conditioner. Why that again? Air conditioner. Get it. Okay, let's get it fixed. Okay. Ugh. Germs. I hate germs! And these are my two favorite colors. Wow. Interesting. Oh, okay. Let's see. Hey guys, how about we do one more? Just one more. And now end the video. Let's do this. Start the service, let's go. I want to get paid, hurry up. Okay, what's the first thing? Engine. Okay. 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 Let's take this off. That's 1%. That's 12%. Eight. Let's go. Woo! Okay, let's take this off. Okay, now we get the pull. 20%, that's all. Okay, let's fix it then. Okay, there. Which one? This one. This goes with this. And this one, of course, it's this one. Okay, place in, place in, place in, place in. Brakes don't work correctly. Okay, let's take it off. Found it. Okay, let's go replace that with a new one. There. What else, guys? The rear lights. Good, good. All the back lights. I thought it was like the front lights, guys. I don't even know if this video is taking long, but I know you guys are gonna get bored because this is a mechanic game. Okay. Oh, why is it? I hate doing the air conditioner because it takes so long to get those germs out. 48%. That's not that bad. Just take it. Oh my god. So this one is only for red and the other one's only for blue. Okay, let's go. Come on. one. Take him out in the last one. Okay, guys. What the hell? I don't want to play your stupid game. Thank you. Wait. What's this? Oh, local. We earned 6-player level, fixed broken leg 4 times, and replaced broken leg 10 times. Okay. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you watched my other videos. Please hit the subscribe button and give me 10,000 likes, and see you in the next video.